How to change phone number on your Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your phone number on your Amazon account. So to do that, it's really quick and easy. All you have to do is simply open the Amazon shopping app on your mobile device and then simply log into your Amazon account. Now once you've logged in, you'll have to tap on these three horizontal lines right over here and then tap on the option account. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to tap on the option login and security just below account settings. After that, it will provide you the details of your account such as your name, your email address and your primary phone number. So since we are here to change that, we'll simply tap on this edit icon right over here. Now as you can see, this is my current number. So if you want to change this, all you have to do is simply erase this and then tap on the option continue. Now once you've done that, they will send you a text to verify your new number. So simply tap on the option OK. Now it will send OTP to your phone number. So simply enter your OTP over here, and once you tap on the option verify, you'll have successfully changed your phone number on your Amazon account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.